Welcome to Oven Cake and Cookies. Today's recipe is simple, crunchy, and made with everyday ingredients. If you love homemade biscuits with a nice bite and nutty flavor, then you are going to enjoy this Atta Suji biscuit. No oven, no fancy tools, just a few ingredients and a little patience. Let's start the recipe. First, take 3 tablespoons roasted peanuts and chop them into small pieces. Chop the peanuts evenly for better texture. Keep them aside for later. Now in a mixing bowl add 1 cup suji, add half cup atta, 2 Tsp ghee, and mix well until the flour feels slightly crumbly. Semolina is often used to make biscuits extra crunchy. Whole wheat flour contains more fiber than refined flour. Now add 3 tablespoons sugar. Now add the chopped peanuts and mix again. Peanuts add both flavor and texture to baked and fried treats. Peanuts provide protein and healthy fats. Pour in half cup milk and combine everything well. You should get a thick biscuit dough. Cover and let it rest for 10 minutes so the suji can absorb the moisture. After resting, take small portion of the dough. Resting the dough helps improve the final texture. Press with a small steel bowl to create a beautiful biscuit shape. Meanwhile, heat oil on medium flame. Carefully add the biscuit and fry slowly. Avoid overcrowding the pan while frying. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes until they become golden brown and perfectly crispy. Fry on medium heat to cook the biscuits evenly. Homemade snacks allow better control over ingredients. Making biscuit at home helps avoid unnecessary preservatives. Remove and cool slightly. These homemade biscuits are crunchy outside, rich with peanut and perfect with a cup of tea. Your Atta Suji biscuits are ready. Crunchy, nutty and perfect for tea time. Would you enjoy this tea, coffee or a glass of milk? Tell me in the comments. Follow Oven Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade snacks, biscuits and delicious recipes.